Removing and installing a door handle can sometimes sound a little bit daunting. But after clicking on this video and watching it, hopefully I can convince you that it's fairly easy and anyone can do it. Now for this video, we'll be focusing on modern day cars with this style of door handle. By the end of this video, if you happen to get a general idea of how to remove your door handle, be sure and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. The first step to removing a door handle is opening up the door and looking on the side of the door for a small black rubber looking cap. Taking some sort of pick tool, remove the rubber cap from the door. Behind the cap, you'll find a bolt that holds the door cap. Now if you opened up your door and you didn't find any sort of small rubber black cap, unfortunately you'll have to go that extra step and remove the door panel. Removing the door panel will give you access to that bolt that holds that outer door cap. Now to remove a door panel, you'll need the following items: a ratchet, a socket set, some sort of pry or pick tool, and then some sort of panel trim removal tool. You'll want to start by locating all the bolts that are holding the door panel. In most cases, they're hiding behind the door handle, down on the bottom of the door panel, or in the door panel grab handle area, usually under some sort of rubber lining. Next, remove the door panel with some sort of pry tool or body trim removal tool. In case you were unaware, most door panels are held in by plastic clips, and these plastic clips can be really easy to break sometimes. If you happen to break some, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. AutoZone carries a wide variety of body clips. And just to show you guys the reality of taking off a door panel, it's not the easiest thing in the world sometimes. Sometimes they put up a fight and you gotta remember to take it easy and to not get overwhelmed. So once you have that bolt located that is holding on the outer door cap, loosen up that bolt and remove the outer door cap. Once you remove the outer door cap, you can now remove the door handle. Pull the door handle out slightly, then continue to pull it out. Then the door handle will come out. If your vehicle is equipped with the locking button on the door handle, there will be a wire that is connected to the door handle that will need to be disconnected. You can access that by removing the door panel and disconnecting it from within the door. If you think I missed anything or if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hopefully this cleared things up and you have a general idea on how to remove your door handle. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.